we've got a tiny punch mark here. It's actually in on the bottom sprocket. We have a mark on the casing, an arrow. We line those up to give us top dead centre. The lobes on the cam should all be facing downwards on all the lobes. And we have two marks on the top sprocket which should line up with this casing. So place the sprocket in, get the chain on, and no, it's not quite right. Go one tooth over, checking they're still lined up there. And that the marks are lined up here. And pop a bolt in. Obviously you're going to have a little bit of slack, but once your cam chain's tensioned, it should line up. Get that one in. You might have to pop the flywheel on. So that you can turn it round to get the second bolt in. Now at this point you can put the cam chain tensioner back in, but if you notice it does lift the cam, so I'd leave it until you're at the point of rocker covers on, then put that in. Just so that we know that everything's working again. I'm double checking at each stage so that you don't have to keep stripping down. Yeah, everything's working as it should. Right, I'll prepare the rocker cover. Before I do, just so that you know, when I fitted the barrel, all the bolts were tensioned to £30 apart from the Allen bolts. They're no more than 10. your cylinder head, those bolts were tensioned down to 21 foot-pound. Bolts underneath 16, and again Allen bolts at 10. Don't go any more than 10. I can't stress that enough, because you'll just strip the threads on the casings. Right, I'll prep the facings on these and then we'll come back.